Hi everyone, welcome to 303 Gaming. Um, Welcome to a first view, first play of HackHub, the Ultimate Hacker Simulator. I want to give a special thanks to Games Operators, the publisher of HackHub, who have allowed me to play this before release. So yeah, so if you obviously enjoyed the video, do comment down below and give all support that you can do to the game. So let's pretty much just go in and let's give it a go. I have absolutely no idea what to expect, other than I know it's similar to Anonymous Hacker Simulator. So I'm just going to go in with AG and the password will just be something random. Cool, so this is the start menu. From here you can explore the application and return to the main menu. From here you can learn everything you don't know about the game, for example how terminal commands work and how to hack a Wi-Fi network. And from here you can hide and show your current tasks. Open and close your phone from here, Wi-Fi, and your tasks at hand. Let's just quickly go in and just there you go, just minimize the volume a little bit. It's too loud on my end. It could be my screen, my audio settings, I don't know, but either way, I'm just going to do so. So let's go ahead. Oh, and of course, Scoutify. You know who that could be. Let's X that right there. So cool. It's just telling us obviously to I say obviously the task here on the top right corner, telling us to connect to the phone's internet. So let's open up the phone icon by clicking on the phone right next to the objectives and Wi-Fi, and then head over to settings. So let's click into settings, turn cellular data on, turn it on, turn the hotspot on, and connect to my phone's hotspot. So my name is my hotspot, and it's called Softail. So let's over to Wi-Fi. No, not there. Oh, right here, yeah, of course. So you head over up here, my hotspot, and it's Softail. Let's connect. Boom, and done. So we now need to install BetterCut tool. So let's open up the command icon, which obviously you can then find down here as well. Based on the little icon that has a little dollar sign with an underscore next to it. So I believe we should be just pressing this, not we'll press it, I mean type it, right install BetterCut, that should do it. Again, not 100% sure what to expect. My coding skills in real life are not very good. But hopefully the game here would allow us to well, not allow us really, but more handhold, but not too much handhold, and allow us to kind of venture on alone in a way. So I think we need to write or type. In fact, actually, if I use better terminology, run a better cap. That should no. Okay, maybe just type better cap. Ah, there we go. It could be one or the other, for all I know. And let's type net.probe on, and I maybe should have done it on this. Nope, it's just net probe, then right on. That's totally fine. Again, we'll learn as we go. The net probing is probing on that IP address. So let's just do net show and click enter. Cool, you can find our interface, our chipset, and our driver. That is definitely not what I have, but on this case, on the game, it is. And we need to set the Wi-Fi recon to monitor mode enabled. So let's head over to wi-fi.com. Oh, Wi-Fi recon. I think it'll give you nope. So you go Wi-Fi.recon and then maybe monitor mode. Ooh. Maybe not then. Hang on. Wi-Fi recon interface? Ooh. Okay, a little bit of an error here. Maybe just Wi-Fi. Oh, I did that one, didn't I? Ah, monitor? Wi-Fi.recon mode? Oop, I could not type mode properly, but it's not that. Ah, no, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So it should be icon, I don't know, maybe true? Ooh. Ah, no. Hang on. Maybe I have it now. True. Oh, this is getting pretty embarrassing now. Why then? What? Ah, there we go. Right. I know it took me a bit of a moment, but again, as I said, my coding skills are not fantastic. And now we need to do Wi-Fi show. Oh, let's get rid of the phone. Put the phone away. And let's head over to set Wi-Fi app. Oh, set Wi-Fi app. It says to choose one, so I clearly didn't read it. So let's go for the first one. And we should be able to copy and paste, right? Let's see this. Oh, yep, there we go. And that seems okay. So it says send the authentication packets and capture a handshake. Right, so we're at the moment targeting Otis Makiovic. So we just sent over a Wi-Fi deauth. Do we just press that? Yes, apparently. Cool. So it's sending it and it's loading. Ooh, is it getting there? It takes a bit of a second, doesn't it? Well, capture complete, handshake captured. And now we should press just exit. No. Oh, I think we could just press exit. That should be fine. Cool. And now we should get the hashtag tool. So at get install hash at. Again, going back from what we did for BetterCap. And now it says to find out the password of the Wi-Fi network using the saved pcat file. Right, so let's see. So we need to go hashcat and then pcat. Maybe? No. Hash. Oh, hang on. I wonder if it's I accidentally pressed no, it's not. Hashcat pcat file. No, not that. Maybe just hashcat? No. Unless I just need to obviously go back up here. Doesn't, I guess, kind of an annoyance is it doesn't give you a kind of an indication on how to. So for this, we're going to obviously open up the handbook. Let's just move one on the other side here. And let's just hashcat. Can that search anything? So crack passwords. I wonder if then we need to pcat file. No, it doesn't. What is a pcat file? Not known. Maybe it's this. Oh, nope. Oh, maybe it's this. Maybe I'm just being an idiot. And I'm actually not just reading. Hashcat this. Ah, there we go. Maybe? Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. No, it's just me being an idiot. I should have read that it said PCAP, but clearly I didn't, which is obviously my bad. So now, obviously now we need to now connect to a new Wi-Fi connector. So here's Otis. I'm not going to pronounce the last name because it's too long, too hard. So I'm just going to do 4417 because that is the password for the Wi-Fi, so we can now connect to it. And now that we've done that, we actually just clicked an achievement called Signal Thief, which whatever it does. We've obviously, just got that now. Let's just close that up. We can now open up the Firefox browser, which of course is Firebear, sorry, not Firefox. Ooh, we can't do that. It's a little bit of a, what do you call it, copyright in terms, and Google, not the other one. So we need to search for mail, and then we need to create an email account. So I think it's this one here, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I mean, one of the two. So email would be phone number. So not that. Buttons. Not that. Would be it. That'll be the email. Really? What is our email? Out of curiosity. Um. Okay, maybe AG. Oh, we need to create an account, obviously. No, right. AG. AG. I don't really see the rest of it. At GoMail. AG at gomail.com. Phone is that. Password. I don't even know what the original one I made for earlier. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there you go. Boom. A and G. A-A-G-G. Oh, there you go. Any notification. 9711148. Q. So name is now RG. So if you ever want to know what we're called, that's where we are. And then we need to search bank on Google and then create a bank email. A bank, that's not to be confused with the area bank. Liberty Central Bank kind of gives us a little bit of a vibe of the vibe of what's it called, GTA 5. Obviously the fake banks. What be that? So be ag at gomail.com. and I'm just going to use the exact same password for everything because you will never remember it. And type my ID number. What's my ID number? Because you're registering, right? So, oh, this one, of course. Oh, no, that's not a control button. Right, fair enough. I just thought it was something completely stupid and different. It's 819511. Cool. Yeah. Well, I know I'm going around a little merry-go-round. Uh, but eventually, you know, you get a hang of it, and it'll be super super duper easy. So we need to go to HackHub, not HackDB, HackHub, not GitHub, because that's GIFs and GIFs. Depends on obviously what you want to and how you want to pronounce it. To get a job through HackHub, you need to follow user posts. So you can apply for a post, blah 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 from there. So get a job on it. So it's the only one that's there, so we're gonna have to apply for it. And boom, there we go. Cool. From Sammy Schmuckly. Can we like? No, we can't. We can't drag it into an existing window. So you're just gonna have to go back to. You already opened tab open, and from Sammy plus Smokely at clubinternet.org. Subject line is host working, so here's his message. Hello, I've heard you're new to cybersecurity work. Considering these tasks as a warm up. For now, check whether the server I will give you is working. Zani bungalow.org. So head over back to our terminal and let's write ns look up. Click the domain. Cool. And then is the second part of the task is check whether the server is running. So let's see. So we've got an IP address here. So let's ping and then ping the IP address. With 32 bytes of data, it will now trigger all of this. It's a bit slow, but if you obviously do this in real life, this would obviously, happen. So it says now that it sent 10 packets of pings, and the status is now down. I'm not entirely sure if that was a message. That was a message? No, it was a notification for something. It was a bear icon. Ah, this one here. Oh, fair enough. It's yeah, okay, cool. Ooh, maybe off on that bit. Yep, that's fine. Network themes. Oh, you can actually change your terminal color. Nice. Okay. Oh, I don't want to import anything. Ah, cool. You can change that. Oh no. Let's not do that. Oh, that's fine. I don't really care what it will be. I don't really care about the wallpaper. Current theme. Bear OS, but you can change it to whatever you want. Let's try actually now. So Fluency UI, it's kind of nice actually. It gives the Mac OS kind of vibe to it. Zanara, bit more old schooly OS system, but I think the bear was okay. It's fine. I kind of like it to be in the bottom corner. Kind of simulates the kind of setting. I mean, Boot AI is nice, but I like the bar. I don't know. It's a thing. Um, and search bar. Oh, let's make it visible. That's actually quite helpful. Modern? Default. Let's just stick with default. I'm not sure what modern or default even does. Cool. Yes, I'm not really sure what to go from here now. You don't write an email because there's no point in that. Oh, it's a bit transparency, so I'm not the biggest fan of that. Also not a fan of having our name on here as well. So yeah. What's code? Ah, okay, this is where you can input some code in. Okay. Oh, it's like your notepad. Yeah, cool. File, download, config desktops. Is there anything in these folders? Or just a pcap file. Actually, it's actually quite helpful to know that actually downloads here and not just randomly. So it says the host is done. So what do you do now then? Because I've done this, right? You just refresh the page. Or you can hide. Or you can even comment. Hello. Oh, you can comment, but you can't. Fair enough. Invitation 16. Okay, you actually can't click on anything about that. You can view your profile. Nope, you can't click on that. Do you have any transitions? Transactions, sorry? Nope. Um, huh. Well, the status is down, so we know the server's not running because it's down, but it hasn't given us anything else to do. Well, not necessarily what else to do, but what's the next step? Oh, no, that's that one. I don't care about that. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. It says it's ready to complete. So how do we complete it? I'm a bit confused. I disconnect. It was 4417, wasn't it? Yeah. I have to be honest, I'm not entirely sure. Like, how do you? Ooh. Okay, there's actually quite a few stuff here. It says Mesopoid. Okay. Bit of Bob's here that we not really for us at the moment. Um, but I'm not because it said it's ready to complete, right? But how do you complete it? We should probably do the same and bookmark the other two actually. So one was bank. let's bookmark the bank. And then the other was HackHub, I believe, wasn't it? HackHub. Let's make sure we save that there. Oh, we pressed complete. Okay, no. I was just being a bit of an idiot. There we go. Well, I guess for now we'll just leave it as is. But as a first view, it's not 100% there in terms of my kind of view on the game. I think there's a little bit of not a lot of hand holding at the beginning, which I feel like there should be a little bit. But right there, as you saw, like, where do I complete not the quest, the mission? I mean, yes, we saw the complete, but it should have said go back to HackHub to complete the mission. You know, I mean, as your first time like doing it, you obviously wouldn't know necessarily where to go. So a couple of instructions like that obviously would help. But I like the system. I think it's quite fun. There seems to be quite a load of things you can do. Personally, just on a kind of first viewpoint, first impressions, but I do believe that there is some extra stuff that should be added to kind of elevate it from level 1 to level 2 in a way. But in the next video, we'll look at the next mission. The next mission would be this one here, which I've applied, so we can get onto that straight away afterwards. So I've put the details down below on the Steam page of HackHub, and we can look into what the next couple of missions, quests, if you want to also use that terminology as well. Again, shout out to games operators for allowing me to play the game before schedule. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.